Despite the early snowstorm, early voting convenience centers in Bernalillo County are open today. 17 locations, 7 of which allow same-day registration, will be open through this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Absentee voters can hand-deliver their ballots at any early voting or election day convenience center. For more voting information, like where to find polling locations, head to alwaysonkRQE.com. The weather has also forced some Department of Health COVID-19 testing sites across New Mexico to close down for the day. But the state says there are still resources available for people with COVID symptoms. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart reports.
If testing sites are closed at any time due to weather, we will make sure that everybody who is registered knows ahead of time what is happening so that we can get them rescheduled.
This winter storm covering roads with snow and ice forced some closures for COVID-19 testing sites across the state, especially since many of the testing sites have setups outside.
All of our regional directors immediately reached out to me and said, we can't have our staff out there if it's blowing snow and it's 20 to 30 degrees trying to test people.
Marissa Mays with the State Department of Health says in some cases, people who pre-registered for a test today were called personally or received an email or text notification to reschedule.
The best thing to do in any situation like this is to stay home. We don't want anybody out on the roads if it's unsafe to travel, and it's twofold. This will also help stop the spread of COVID.
If someone has COVID-19 symptoms, there are still places to get tested. In Albuquerque, patients are encouraged to visit Presbyterian's indoor testing site, and there's a list of open test sites online. If weather slows the state's ability to identify positive cases for a time, health officials say it's important people continue to protect themselves.
Changing from one day to the next based on something like this because weather affected it should never give anybody a sense of, oh great, we're in the clear. There has to be some data over a period of time, and the best thing that everybody can do right now are those basic COVID safe practices.
Gabrielle Burkhart, KRQE News 13.
The health department reminds anyone getting tested for COVID to follow protocols, which may include self-isolating while waiting on test results. You can find a list of open testing sites at alwaysonkRQE.com.